Hi, this is Lady Lex UK, and here is a tutorial for Project Spark. Right, I'm going to have a confession to make. I've made this weapon. I'm sort of pleased with it, but there is a bug in Project Spark that's causing me a problem. I don't know how to fix it, so if anybody knows how to fix this problem, then please let me know. But I'm going to show you the code for what I've done. But let's do a test and see what have I built. So, got lots of goblins coming after me, so I fire my weapon, and it's a balloon, and it's a bubble, and if it hits a goblin, it will lift him up into the air and then pop. Doesn't cause him any death, but if the goblin is too close, it will just burst on him. So I have to get far away in order to throw the bubble at him. He'll also chase after that bubble. So I've just split that one away from the others. Let's see if I can hit this one. Whoa. Boom. Now, it works lovely, but occasionally, there we go, it just did it there. It'll hit a goblin and completely destroy him. The bubble and the goblin will be destroyed, and the goblin is removed from the game. So as a weapon, it's pretty good, because obviously you can see I'm losing some of these goblins. I've got less and less goblins than I had. They're too close now, so I can't get them. There we go. I've no idea why it destroys the goblins. There we go, just destroyed one there. Because it works perfectly fine, as you can see, but then occasionally, there you go, gone, dead. It appears to be if he is facing away from me. I don't know. I don't understand why it will destroy that goblin. But I'll show you the code, because you might like this. As it is, maybe destroying goblins is what you want to do anyway. So, in my player, I've got, for the Y button, shoot this logic cube with a lifetime of 3 seconds. And this is the logic cube. It's a template. And it says play protection sphere. Now there are other options for the special effect of the orbit that you can use, but I've used the protection sphere on me at the socket center. We'll make it team 1. And when starting to bump enemies, target equals it. So the goblin that it bumps will be the target. When the distance to my creator is less than 4, or the target is captured, then it's just going to play a burst effect instead of lifting up the goblin, and then it's going to destroy itself. Else, and by the way, this isn't the code that is causing the problem, because even if I take that out, it still destroys the goblins. Else, my target's physics type equals fixed. We'll set our target captured boolean to be true, and we'll set the captured boolean on this bubble to be true too. So when you've captured something, we'll start to make that target jump in the air, and then attach that target to our center socket, and we'll change the pace of our target to 0, and we'll set our start vector to be that target position. Then for 2 seconds, we're going to change our Y position 0.15 per frame. So it's going to rise up into the air, but it's going to keep its X position the same as the start, and its Z position the same as the start, so that it will rise in the air and not travel in a trajectory, because it will carry on in the trajectory of the shooting motion if you don't have this. And I want it to hit the goblin, then rise up into the air. So that's what that does. And then there's a countdown of 2. So after the bubble's done, it's raising, and then it's going to play that burst effect. It's then going to send our target back to being a character physics type. It will detach it, and then it'll set its target's boolean captured back to false, and it's going to set its pace back to 1, and make sure that its up vector is the same as wheeled up. So if we've turned it slightly in the balloon, it's not going to come down and start walking at a jaunty angle. So there we go. That's my balloon or bubble weapon that allows you to throw bubbles at goblins in order to get them to rise in the air. If anybody knows why these goblins are being destroyed by this code, then let me know, because I want to fix it and I have absolutely no idea. It may be a glitch in Project Spark, because it seems relatively random about when it destroys a goblin and when it doesn't. So I really don't know why it's doing it. But there you go, there's my code for the bubble weapon. Maybe you can adapt it for your own games. I just thought I'd show it you, just a quickie. Thanks for watching and keep sparking.